skincare products on the market, from the local brands, international brands. But the question is, are they really effective? Are they safe? Of course, I won't say that they are not effective. But what is exceptional with Marinova is Marinova uses probiotic technology. Yeah. So with the probiotic technology, of course, it boosts your immune system, and there are a lot of reasons why people are having like skin breakthroughs, like acne, psoriasis, eczema. But it can be because of this poor skin immunity. Second is we use the nanotechnology. From the big word nano, it means very small. So we make sure that every particle of our skincare is perfect enough to penetrate the deeper layer of the skin. And that's how we are going to deliver and distribute the efficacy of our skincare products. And the third one is actually the liposome technology. If you have heard about the liposome technology,
I haven't.
To simplify this liposome technology, it actually encapsulates the active ingredients like the retinol, niacinamide, the peptide, the sodium hyaluronic acid. So under the microscopic view, you will see a small particle within the nano size. And it will go deep within the layer of the skin. And of course, when the changes of the temperature, it will break inside, and that's how it's going to be distributed to our face. So the question is, does it treat the melasma? Of course, because it reaches the deeper layer of the skin. So that's very good with Marinova.
Wow,
Yeah.
I'm convinced.
Me too.
When we're talking about bawat particle now,
I was like,
down to the science.
can I try it now?
Mamaya. Teka lang. May questions pa ako. Alright, next up, there's a lot of males in the audience this evening. Curious din ako dito. Beauty and skincare products, a lot of people think they're only for women, but me, myself, and I'm sure a lot of other males in the audience use skincare products as well. So can men also use these products in their skincare routines?
Of course, Marinova products is really very, very good also for men. It's good for men, women, and even for kids.
Even for kids, wow.
For
So
kids.
really all ages.
Yeah, because the ingredients are all natural and therefore very safe to use.
Wow, so it is for everyone.
That's amazing.
Walang pinipili.
And in addition to that, we use both science and nature's finest ingredients. So they are non-toxic and chemical-free. So they are very safe. Even children, we have like I think 10 years old using a Mystify, and she's been doing okay with that. Yeah.
Maybe later we'll know that 10-year-old kid. But talking about safe and effective, since both of you had a direct patient care to cosmetic and aesthetic patients, is there anything that you can advise our consumers on how to safely use Marinova products?
Yes, so just like any other beauty products in the market, of course, there will be isolated cases of reaction. However, with these Marinova products, I think there will be 0 to 2% because the ingredients are all natural. So therefore, talagang wala siyang reaction. Hypersensitivity is very rare also. So yung mga, however, as doctors, I usually ask for patch test.
Sort of a skin test, right?
Testing. If
Okay.
they have history of allergy to some foods like seafoods, or eggs or chocolates. But otherwise, it is very safe to use by everyone.
That's great, Doc. Because I think, do you have anything to add, Mr. Henry?
Well, actually, we can deny the fact that we will really encounter, even the distributors or anyone, can encounter maybe 1 in 1,000 who will react. Because skincare is basically not for everyone.
Yes.
Just like prawns or shrimps. Your friend is eating shrimps and I cannot eat. But does it mean you have to stop? No, because it doesn't hurt you, isn't it?
Yes, you're right.
Well, that's interesting, Mr. Henry, because myself, I've reacted to a lot of different skincare products. Sometimes you break out, or your skin doesn't accept the product very well, right?
But there's a small chance if this is toxic free. Right? Pag walang chemical, less chance di ba, na
That's right.
magkaroon ng skin reaction.
That's right. So I think the toxic-free and more natural ingredients really sells home. You know, the fact that 1 in 1,000, you said, people are reacting negatively to these products or having some sort of reaction.